In this video, I'm going to show you how I made more than $8,000 in the last 28 days with this news channel. This is a channel that's in the celebrities niche, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to be able to copy me, how you're going to be able to copy my channel. In the last 28 days, I made more than $8,000 with 1,700,000 views, which is an RPM of about $5. That's pretty good for 15-minute videos. And this channel, well, it follows a pretty clickbait format because, well, that's what usually works best for these types of news niches. The clickbait format is what usually works the most, and especially what has worked for me. I've had this channel for about 3 months, but this has been my best month. There you can see that this month I made 34% more than the previous month. And well, it keeps generating views for me, and in the last 2 hours, well, it got me 9,500 views and 6,700 views. And yesterday, well, I made $762 with 83,000 views with this channel, just so you can see more or less the RPM yesterday. Because I uploaded a 25-minute video, that's why I had a higher RPM. For example, this is a channel that's doing exactly the same thing I'm doing, and here, as you can see, well, it's getting a lot of views with this type of video. That if we keep in mind that the videos are more than 50 minutes, well, this channel has already generated more than $70,000 if we estimate an RPM of about $10. So it has generated more than $70,000 in literally 3 months. All right, so now you've already seen my channel, you've also seen this channel. That's from a person who's doing exactly the same thing. So now what you're going to have to do is go to the link that's in the description of this video to access this document, which is free, where you're going to have the resources to be able to start in this niche. The first thing I've already shown you, which is the example channel, and I've also shown you my channel where I made more than $8,000 in 30 days. All right, so the first thing you're going to have to do is go to this link, and here you're going to have to download this folder. So you download the folder, and that's it. Then you're going to go to downloads, and here you're going to go to the folder, and you're going to extract it. All right, you right click, you extract the folder, and as you can see, I already have the folder extracted. So now what you have to do is open it, and here you're going to have the resources to be able to start in this niche. The first thing we're going to do is the script and the video ideas. For that, you're going to go to Claude, and here what you're going to have to do is select these 2 files, and you're going to drag them to Claude. With these 2 files, basically what we do is in one file, well, we send it the 7 most viral titles and the 7 most viral scripts of the channel I've shown you before. And in the other file is a more detailed analysis of the structure and the style that works really well, because Claude understands these types of files really well. So you drag the 2 files, and then you can already tell it to create the script. I mean, tell it create a new script and title. Or you can also tell it to give you 10 ideas. In my case, I'm going to tell it to create the script directly. All right, so now it's going to start reading everything we just sent it. And here, as you can see, it's already creating the script. Remember that this is a celebrities niche. All right, so if you want to make the video for a specific celebrity, well, you can put the name of the celebrity you want. For example, if I want to do it for Mike Tyson, well, I write Mike Tyson and I tell it to make the script for Mike Tyson. If I want to do it for another person, well, you put the name of the other person, or you can also tell it to suggest names to you. In this case, it's already creating the title and the script automatically. Claude has chosen the celebrity, so you can choose it yourself, or you can let it choose. All right. Now the title and the script are being created, so we can already move on to the next step, which is the thumbnail. Because for the thumbnail, we only need the title. All right. So for the thumbnail, what you're going to have to do is go to a new incognito tab, and then you're going to go to the document, and here you're going to have a website to generate the thumbnail. So you copy the link of the website and you paste it in an incognito tab. This is a website that basically lets you generate videos and images with paid models. You have free trials. So here you'll register. All right. On every account you register, they're going to give you 2 free credits so you can use them. In my case, I have a script where I can generate accounts. So I put the accounts and I register several times. As you can see here, I have a list of a lot of accounts from a script. If you want that script, by the way, you have it in my school community. All right. If you want that script, you have it here in my school community. You can access it. It's really useful, honestly. Here you're going to go here to this section of the website. Then you're going to activate image mode. And here in model, I recommend that you select the Flux 2.0 Pro model that for me is the best model, all right? It's a really realistic model, so for thumbnails, I recommend that you choose this model. Then here, aspect ratio, you put 16:9, the quality you leave like that, and that's it. To generate the thumbnail, you're going to have to add a reference image. So for that, here in the thumbnail folder, you're going to have 2 reference images, all right? The only thing you have to do is choose the style you like best. There are 2 styles, the first one or the second one. You can choose the one you like best. In my case, well, I like the second one better, so I'm going to choose the second one. You can also check news channels and see what thumbnails they use, and you can use their style. But these are 2 styles I've added to the folder, so you don't have to search, and you already have them here. So I'm going to add this one, for example, and then you're going to have to go to Claude, where the script was being generated. So now what you have to do is search for a photo of her, and you're going to download an image. For example, I'm going to download this image, all right? You save the image. You can download whatever image you want. You just download one image of that person, and that's it. You can choose the image you want that looks good. Then you go back here to the website, and you're going to upload the image you just downloaded. So here, you upload the image, and that's it. Sometimes it tells you that the image is too small, so you're going to have to try with another. For example, I'm going to download this one, and then you upload it here to the website, and that's it. All right. Then the prompt that you have to put, you're going to go to the document. You're going to copy this prompt. All right. It's a pretty simple prompt. Then you're going to go to the website and you're going to paste the prompt. Well, you click here on generate, and that's it. And the image is going to start being generated. Sometimes it's going to put this thing about the prompt not complying with the policies. So when it puts that, you keep clicking generate, because at some point it's going to generate the thumbnail for you. So you keep clicking generate, and that's it. Because honestly, it's not allowed to generate this type of thumbnail, but sometimes it generates them. So you keep putting that prompt, and that's it. Here, as you can see, well, it has already generated the thumbnail. After several attempts, it has already generated the thumbnail. If you don't like it, you can edit it. You can change the style however you want. Also, if it keeps telling you that it doesn't comply with the policies, you can change the image of the person, and that's it. Or you can try with another person, and that's it. But at some point, it has to generate the thumbnail for you. Then to download it, you click on the image, you right click and save the image. Because if not, it's not going to let you download it because it tells you that you have to pay. So you download it this way. You can also edit it, all right? So now we already have the thumbnail, the script, and the title. So for the script, as you already know, you have to generate the voice, all right? So you generate the voice with any website, and that's it, nothing else. Then for the clips, well, you're going to go to YouTube, and you're going to copy the name of the celebrity and do searches like these, all right? You can do searches like these and look for channels where you can get good clips. For example, this channel here, you can get the clips, the clips of this channel, for example, of this video, and you can put the subtitles on top. I mean, you can put your subtitles on top, and that's it. You mess up the order of the clips a bit and done. But for the footage you can get from here, from other channels, no problem with that. You just have to mess up the order a bit, and that's it. For example, here another channel, you can also get the footage, although in this case, no, because it has an avatar, so I don't recommend this channel. But anyway, you can get clips around here. Even if you have 5 minutes of clips, that's already enough. Then you duplicate them, and that's it. You don't have to have 50 minutes of footage, you know? What I do, and what the channels I've shown you do, is download 5 minutes of footage, and then duplicate it until the video ends, and that's it. And well, that's basically how you can download the footage, all right? And well, that's how I made more than $8,000 with my channel, with my news channel, all right? If you want to learn more about this and learn more advanced things and have me personally help you scale your channel, well, you have my school community where I give you a monetized channel. I also give you old channels, advanced programs with which you could create this type of video with one click. Here I show you how to make them manually, but honestly, in my school community, we have programs where you can make the video with one click and many much more advanced things, and everything updated. Everything is absolutely updated. And well, you can also see that there are really good reviews, all right? I mean, the community has really good reviews. There are no bad reviews. All the reviews are really good. Here you can see them all, and you can also see the results from the members, all right? For example, here you can see the results from the members. For example, this member here who made more than $8,000 in a week after monetizing his channel with 1.5 million views. This member currently has the most viral channel of his niche. It's a finance niche, and this member got the most viral channel of that niche, and he's inside the community, all right? Well, here another member, for example, who made more than $1,600 with one video, and so many more results that I can't show in just one video because there are too many results. Also here, people monetizing their channels using the tools and many more things that you can see in this community. You're going to have everything you need to be successful, because you start with a monetized channel, with a niche chosen by me in a market where there's no competition, with a niche where there's no competition in that market. Then you also receive automatic software that creates the videos for you. And the only thing you have to do is repeat the process, and that's it. The whole system is really well designed from zero. The system is really well designed so that all the members get results, and so that you can also get results like mine. Like, for example, with the channel I just showed you, where I was able to generate more than $8,000 in 28 days. And here you can see that I keep generating quite a bit of money in the last few days. And I also have many other faceless channels. I have quite a few faceless channels like you're seeing right now, and all following the same system. And in the community, I share exactly that whole system. Remember that you have the document in the description of this video in case you want to start in this niche, and you also have the school community in case you want to scale your channel, get results, and also get fast results and reduce your work time 20 times more.